Can vinegar be used as an upholstery cleaner? Yes, but only with careful testing and strict dilution because it can damage many fabrics. White distilled vinegar diluted with water can safely clean many water-cleanable upholstery fabrics when used correctly. Mix 1 part white distilled vinegar with 4 parts warm water and stir gently. Then test an invisible patch for color fastness and fiber reaction by dabbing and letting it dry fully before proceeding. Use a soft white cloth or sponge. Apply the solution sparingly and blot rather than scrub to avoid overwetting and fiber distortion. After cleaning, blot with plain water to remove any residual acid and then absorb moisture with a dry towel to minimize staining and shrinkage. For stubborn spots, add a small squeeze of mild liquid dish soap to the diluted solution, rinse thoroughly, and avoid leaving any soap film behind because residues attract dirt. Do not use vinegar on fabrics labeled for solvent-only cleaning. On delicate upholstery such as silk or antique textiles, or on leather and finished faux leather because the acid can strip finishes and cause irreversible damage. Common mistakes are using undiluted vinegar, which can bleach dyes and weaken fibers. Fix this by always diluting as described and testing first. Another frequent error is overwetting the cushion or seat, which can lead to mildew and padding degradation. Correct this by working in small sections, blotting immediately, and using minimal solution. A third problem is assuming vinegar works on all stains in fabrics. If a fabric is solvent-only or has a manufacturer stain code, use rubbing alcohol for ink and some grease marks, or follow the manufacturer recommended cleaner to avoid voiding warranties. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors by listing professionals and providing community feedback and discussions. We also help contractors find work by connecting them with local projects and an active discussion community where they can share tips and bid on jobs.